Welcome to the DŌST Bikes unboxing videos. This is Dave. As you can see, he's really happy to walk you through the unboxing and assembly today. To start, you will need a couple of tools, a box cutter and a flathead screw. Dave will start by cutting out the straps and then removing the staples. Make sure you remove all the staples so they don't scratch the bike or yourself. Take out the accessories box and set it aside. In the box, you'll find a user manual, stickers, a suspension fork manual, as well as pedals, charger, tools, and of course, your keys. Lay the box flat on the ground and carefully pull out the bike. Now we're going to remove the protective wrapping. Dave loves this part. The wrapping can be recycled, so don't make Dave angry. Please recycle it. The next step is to straighten your handlebar and square it against your wheel. Please use your toolkit provided in the box. Then use the 4mm Allen key to tighten the screws on the stem. Next, it's time to put your pedals on, for which you will need a 15mm open wrench. Dave is relieved the bike comes with 2 pedals. You will notice markings on the pedals, so make sure the left pedal goes on the left and the right pedal goes on the right. The left pedal screws on counterclockwise, the right pedal screws on clockwise. Start screwing the pedals on by hand and use the open wrench to tighten. Your bike is now ready. Well done! Dave is proud of you. Look at that smile. Check out the next video to learn how to set up your bike, and if you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.